Hi, it's Chef Sam. Welcome to another week when the chef's at home. This week we'll be featuring pita bread. Now I loved making those pizzas last week, and that dough was so good I thought I'd make some pita bread in that pizza oven. So let's see how we... Wow, look at that. Isn't that awesome? It reminds me of my mother's bread. Look at that dough, it's perfect. It's not sticking to the bowl. I think it's time to let it rest. Got 1 pound, 2 ounces. I think I'm going to cut them up into 3-ounce portions. Okay, now I've got my little 3-ounce portions. I guess you're wondering what I'm going to do with them. Well, I'm going to roll them up just like I did those others, only because they're so small I can do it with my hands. Just like that. Isn't that nice? Now I mentioned that I started out as a baker, but I learned how to make dinner rolls when I was very young, and I had to do thousands of these little balls of dough. You're just getting the air out. They don't have to be as pretty as this. Now, I've got 6 little balls of dough. Obviously, they're not going to be pizzas, but I think I'm going to reserve them for another video, and we're going to make pitas. Now, while that dough is rising, I'm going to take a little break. I'm going to cover it up to keep it warm, and I'll be back. Hey, let's get started rolling that pita bread out. I got my mother's rolling pin. They're tiny little things. You can't really tell, but they've kind of doubled in size. When I get all these rolled out, I'll come back and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Well, we got 6 nice rolled out pita pockets. Now we're going to have to let that dough rest just a little bit before we fire up that oven and make pitas. So I'll be back. Last one's in. Let's see how this comes out. Wow, look at that. Isn't that awesome? It reminds me of my mother's bread. It was the best. We're going to give that top a little color. That's so great. Maybe a little bit more. I think we're done with pita bread for now. So I'm going to enjoy making some sandwiches with these.